Nanjing Chuangbo Machinery Equipment Co., Limited, was established in 2008, situated on the banks of the beautiful Yangtze River. Adjacent to Nanjing Lukyu International Airport, the company brings together core members of China's pioneering co-rotating twin-screw technology team and the R&D unit from Beijing University of Chemical Technology's Advanced Polymer Processing Laboratory, forming a powerful alliance with shared resources. This strategic combination has positioned Nanjing Chuangbo as the industry leader in talent resources within China's plastic extrusion sector. Backed by the Joint Experimental R&D Center of Beijing University of Chemical Technology and Chuangbo, we have established a complete R&D chain spanning fundamental research, bench-scale testing, pilot-scale testing, and full industrialization. This synergy not only enables rapid technology transfer from academic research, but also significantly shortens Chuangbo's product development timeline. This has established our corporate philosophy of excellence through quality leadership through innovation. In 2008, Chuangbo pioneered dedicated continuous extrusion equipment for rocket solid propellants in the defense sector, achieving significant productivity gains while ensuring intrinsic safety. In 2009, Chuangbo launched the industry's first drying-free twin-screw extrusion sheet line for recycled PET, achieving over 40% energy savings compared to conventional processes. In 2012, Chuangbo successfully adapted twin-screw devolatilization technology to synthetic rubber deep dehydration processes. This innovation significantly reduced energy consumption while maintaining product quality stability, improved operational conditions, and was subsequently extended to natural rubber and specialty rubber applications. In 2014, through collaboration with Beijing University of Chemical Technology, Chuangbo launched its LFTG production line for polymer impregnation and coating. The produced reinforced polypropylene and nylon composites, characterized by lightweight properties, high strength, and superior modulus, have been widely adopted in aerospace, automotive, construction, and appliance industries. To date, over 30 production lines are operating stably worldwide. In 2015, Chuangbo partnered with Beijing University of Chemical Technology to introduce the polypropylene supercritical CO foaming production line, a breakthrough in PP extrusion foaming technology, capable of producing foam sheets, panels, and beads with expansion ratios ranging from 2x to 40x. This solution has become the preferred lightweight material for packaging and automotive interiors. Multiple production lines have been successfully deployed domestically and internationally. In 2016, in collaboration with Beijing University of Chemical Technology, the integrated molding technology for reactive foaming of PET without drying has achieved a breakthrough. PET foamed boards with a thickness of 70 millimeters and a density of 80 to 250 kilograms per meter cubed were successfully produced, marking the first time that PET extrusion foaming technology had been localized. In April 2019, this technology passed the Scientific and Technological Achievement appraisal organized by the China National Light Industry Council. The expert group, headed by academician Zhai Jinping of the Chinese Academy of Engineering, unanimously agreed that the overall technology of this project has reached the international advanced level, and some technologies have reached the international leading level. The long-term cooperation with the professional R&D team of Beijing University of Chemical Technology has not only fully utilized the academic research, experimental equipment and testing instrument resources accumulated by the university over the years, but also achieved a seamless connection between its previous achievements and the manufacturing resources of Chuangbo. It is a successful model of university-enterprise cooperation. After 3 decades of accumulation and development, and over a decade of entrepreneurship and innovation, today's Chuangbo not only boasts profound technological accumulation and a rich product range, but also has an advanced and complete innovation mechanism, as well as an efficient and complete industrial chain. Up to now, Chuangbo Company has been granted over 20 national invention patents. It has been successively recognized as a high-tech enterprise and a Jiangsu province private technology enterprise, and has become the equipment research and development base of a certain company of China North Industries Group Corporation and the pilot base of the Advanced Polymer Laboratory of Beijing University of Chemical Technology. Stay true to our founding mission and forge ahead with perseverance. Chuangbo adheres to the corporate philosophy of superior quality, success through innovation, actively aligns with the national development strategy, continuously launches new technologies and products with market competitiveness, better serves customers and benefits society, makes due contributions in the process of building a strong country in science and technology and quality, and demonstrates the responsibility and commitment of Nanjing Chuangbo as a technology-based private enterprise.